Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing subnetting. If you are looking to get your feet wet in networking, you need to know how to subnet. So join me, and let's get started. Welcome to our tutorial on subnetting. In today's video, we're going to be taking a deep dive into the world of subnetting, covering everything from the basics to advanced techniques that will help you create and manage subnets like a pro. If you're a network engineer or interested in pursuing a career in networking, then subnetting is a crucial skill that you must master. So, without any further delay, let's get started. What is subnetting? Before we dive into subnetting, let's first understand what exactly it is. Subnetting is a process of dividing a larger network into smaller subnetworks or subnets. This is done to increase network efficiency and provide better management of IP addresses. A subnet is a part of a network, identified by a unique network address, created by dividing an IP network into two or more smaller subnetworks. IP addressing basics. To understand subnetting, it's important to have a basic understanding of IP addressing. An IP address is a unique numeric identifier assigned to every device connected to a network. An IP address is in the form of four sets of numbers, separated by dots, such as 192.168.1.1. The range of IP addresses is divided into classes, which include Class A, Class B, and Class C. Subnet mask. To create a subnet, we use a subnet mask, which is a 32-bit number that tells a device which part of the IP address represents the network ID and which part represents the host ID. The subnet mask is represented similarly to an IP address, such as 255.255.255.0. Calculating subnets. Now let's move on to calculating subnets. To calculate a subnet, we need to determine the network ID, the host ID, and the broadcast ID. The subnet's network ID is the part of the IP address that remains constant across devices within the subnet, while the host ID varies. We can use different subnets masks to divide a network into subnets. For example, if we use a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0, we end up creating a subnet with 256 IP addresses. We can further divide the subnet into smaller subnets by using a different subnet mask. For instance, a subnet mask of 255.255.255.128 will create two subnets each with 128 IP addresses. Advanced subnetting techniques. Once you have a good grip on the fundamentals of subnetting, you can move on to some advanced techniques. One of the most useful advanced techniques is variable length subnetting, VLSM, which allows for the creation of subnets with various sizes. Subnetting with VLSM can save IP addresses as we only give out the exact number of IP addresses needed. Another advanced technique is classless interdomain routing, CIDR, which is a way of allocating many IP addresses to a supernet or a supernetwork. So, there you have it, everything you need to know about subnetting. We hope that our tutorial has given you a good understanding of subnetting and the techniques used to calculate subnets. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye.